Hey guys, so I am back with this is not really an unboxing, it's actually a showing of wood products that I purchased from Woodpecker, and I am so excited to share this with you. So let's open our box. Now when I saw this, let me take them all out. I'm sorry for the noise, guys. I'm recording and doing my voiceover at the same time. So this, let's start with this one. This is a wooden or round cradled canvas set of 3. And this is, when I purchased this, I had in mind or have in mind to make a tier tray. Now, the cost for this was $17.99. Now, I don't know about you, but there is nowhere you're going to go and get a tier tray of solid wood, although it's unfinished, for $18, right? Look at how thick this is. And you can stack them together, put your little thing under there, and you get a beautiful tier tray. Now, what you can do with this is endless. You can either spray paint it, whatever color you choose. I am not sure what color I'm going to spray paint this. But when I saw these 3 pieces coming as a set, I knew I had to get this. I'm actually preparing for a craft fair to happen in spring or May, thereabout, and I just figured that, that would do well there. Now these are door tags, 9.5 inches, wooden door hangers, and these I bought 4 of them, 5 of them actually, at 80 cents each, even less than what you would get at the Dollar Tree. And you all know I love my little mini rolling pins, so I got myself some more. And I purchased 12 of these at 61 cents each, so that came out to be $7.32. No, you can't beat that. Now this is hexagon floating shelf, and this entire piece has 7 pieces in there. Oops, sorry about that, guys. 7 pieces in there, and it's $13.50. You can see how deep these are. The shelves are. If you decide to mount this on or float this on the wall, you have a lot of room in here to put whatever you want to put. You can actually do them like that, or like that, or by themselves. Float them on the wall by themselves. So these are floating shelves. Now that's it, guys. I just thought that I could share this information with you, so that if you see any of these items that you like in this video and want to grab some for yourself, I'm going to leave my affiliate link in the description box below, and you can grab those. So until next time, let me go craft and craft away, and see you guys in my next one. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it, and it's free. And if you love budget friendly crafting ideas, DIYs, please check out this video right here or this mega playlist, and stay tuned until my next video. Bye.